Hello everyone, so today we are going to unbox a new item that I just purchased online from the Infinix online store called Infinix Mall, and this is a smartwatch that they have just released. So as you can see over here, a few features that we have written over here are a heart rate monitor, then we have an alarm clock, sleep monitor, phone message, call rejection, and something else that I don't know yet. So let's start by turning over it, and you can see that it's currently on, and here we have the tag from the shipping company. So let's start. So first of all, we have this dial, and you can see that it has been counting the steps as well from the time it's been during the shipping. And inside the box we have a charging cable with these two pins on it, and on the other side of it we have a USB cable, so you can plug it in your laptop or a standard USB charger. And then we have these straps, and you can see that we have some pins over here that we are going to attach with our main dial in just a while. And then we have this whole catalog. Let's go back to the dial and let's see what options do we have. So first of all, we have a pedometer, which means we can count how many steps we have gone. Then we have something called exercise, and then we have a heart rate measurement tool. Then we have a blood pressure measurement tool. Then this is something SP02. I believe it measures the quantity of oxygen in your blood. Then we have this weather notifier. Next we have messages. Then we have this camera icon. I believe it helps you take a selfie from your phone. Then we have this music controller and a setting, and then we have this home screen. So let's start by attaching these straps to the dial and try it on my wrist. So now after a few minutes of struggle, I have got the straps attached with my dial. I don't know if they are on the right side or not, but it works. And on the other side we have this charging ports where our charger gets attached, and on the bottom of it we have the sensors with which our blood pressure and heart rate gets monitored. So let's start by wearing it. So now that I have it on my wrist, so let's try. So first of all, we have this pedometer, which monitors how much far we have gone, and then we have this exercise mode. And one thing I got to know that with this single touch you can change the menu items to the next, and if you do a long press it will go inside it and explore more options. So inside the exercise modes we have walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, and many others. And from here, now if I do a long press it will go back. Then next we have this measure heart rate, and if I do a long press here it will start measuring my heart rate. So let's give it a moment. Now it gave a vibration, and you can see that I have 83. Then we have this BP measurement tool, and if I do a long press over here it will also start measuring my blood pressure. You can see that it calculated as 73 and 117. Next we have this SP02, which calculates the amount of oxygen in my blood. Then we have this weather notifier, which tells that right now it's 23 degrees centigrade. From here, if I connect it with my mobile through Bluetooth, I'll get notified from new messages. From here, I can use this to take a photo. And from here, I can control my music through it. If my music is being played over Bluetooth, it will be running over here. And from here, I can go forward and backward and play and pause. And from here, we have this other. And if we go inside it, we can see that we have different styles of this watch face. Then we have this stopwatch. Then we can even mute it, and we have this brightness control, and from here we can actually reset the whole watch, and from here we can power off it, and from here we can go back and then back again on the main screen. And on the main screen, if we do a long press, it will show us this version and MAC address, and it will also tell us about the battery of our watch. They also have an app. If you go and search for Infinix Life in Apple App Store or Play Store, you can see that they have this app in which there are different features for this smartwatch. Right now I have it installed, so let's open it up in my phone. And here you can see that it has different features. I have this steps count, BP, blood oxygen, heart rate, sleep monitor, and a lot of other things, so you can easily track how your heart rate have been going through all the days, and have you been running outside or not. Then we have this watch specific settings. Here we have watch faces, notifications, alarms, shutter, and others. And if we go inside notifications, we can see that we can turn on notifications for different apps, and we can set different alarms for through our mobile phone. And shutter will help us take pictures, and in others we have different other settings. We can find our device, this will vibrate it, and then we have this profile where we can set our goal. We can set 5,000, 10,000, or whatever step goal you want, and then you can see the progress of your steps. Then you can even connect it to your health app.